Planning your next adventure? Don't pack your bags just yet. Before you hit the road or take off into the skies, you need these essential travel items to make your trip smooth, stress-free, and unforgettable. Stick around because number 7 is a game changer. First things first, your travel documents. A valid passport, visa, if needed, and travel insurance are absolute musts. And don't forget a mix of credit cards and some local currency, because not everywhere takes cards. Pro tip: keep digital copies of all important documents in your phone and cloud storage. Say goodbye to messy suitcases. Packing cubes keep your clothes organized, while a smart suitcase with a built-in charger can save you from a dead phone at the worst moments. A lightweight, anti-theft backpack? That's your best friend for day trips. Imagine being stuck with a dead phone in an unfamiliar place. Scary, right? A high-capacity power bank is a lifesaver. And don't forget a universal adapter. Trust me, outlets aren't the same everywhere. Bonus tip: noise-canceling headphones are a must for flights in busy cities. Your health comes first. A basic first aid kit, motion sickness pills, and prescription meds should always be in your bag. A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter? That'll keep you hydrated and save you money. And, of course, hand sanitizer, because hygiene is key. Long flights? Uncomfortable bus rides? A quality neck pillow and compression socks make all the difference. And no matter where you're going, pack a lightweight rain jacket. The weather can be unpredictable. Oh, and comfy shoes are a non-negotiable. Travel delays happen. Keep yourself entertained with a Kindle, downloaded movies, or a travel journal to document your adventure. And snacks? Always. Energy bars, nuts, and dried fruit keep hunger away without weighing you down. And now, the ultimate game changer. A smart tracker like an AirTag for your luggage. Never lose your bags again. A hidden money belt keeps your cash safe, and a pocket-sized translation device? That breaks language barriers instantly. These little gadgets can make a huge difference. Now you're ready to travel smarter. Which of these essentials do you always carry? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.